Hi again! Today we've got Colors of the Wind from Walt Disney's Pocahantas. And it is from, the arrangement I'm showing you is from this book, Famous and Fun for Adults, Pop, Book 1 by Carol Matz. I have already done a video where I play the melody exactly as written, where it is divided between the two hands. If you want a bigger challenge, I'm going to show you how to put the melody all in the right hand and then chords on the left hand. So let's take a look at the melody here. I'm going to move it up an octave to give us more room to do chords down below. And the principle of where we're going to put our hand is I'm going to try not to make you stretch more than 6, and then of course no awkward twisting. So let's start at the beginning with a B. We're going to stretch down, and now we're going to cross over or pivot. And on the second D, we're going to switch to a 4 to get ready for that stretch. And now we're going to jump down to E with the thumb. Let's try that again. So we're going to start with our thumb on B, stretch up to the D, and then cross over. Jump to 4, stretch down, and then jump down. All right, now let's look at the chords for the left hand. So we're going to need an E minor chord, which is all white notes. As always, if all you've learned are the chord shells, you can always leave out the middle note. So the first one is E minor. The second one is B minor. We're going to have a black note on your thumb, so you'll need to slide your hands in. And you could play that one there, or you could play it up here, depending on what you prefer. Then we have a C, another E minor, another B minor, a C. Now we have a D, which has an F sharp in the middle, and a G, an E minor, an A minor, another D, and a G. All right, let's try this out together. I will try to call out the chords as I play. E minor, B minor, C, E minor, B minor, C, D, G, E minor, A minor, D, and then you can practice this exact arrangement. You can practice it with the other recording that comes out of the original arrangement in the book. Have fun with it. I'll see you in the next video.